All right. Hello to whoever is watching. My name is Diego Patterson, and I will be showing off this cool donut that we had and the stuff that I worked on with it. Um, as you can see, we have this. Well, sorry, I might have misspoke there, because that was the original project that we worked on with it. This is more of an orange slice or something like that than a well, donut. As you can see, there's no hole in the middle. So yeah, let's move on to the code. All right, so going over our code that we worked on, or in this case, what I worked on. So what I worked on was ensuring our code rendered in an easy to view way and nicer than the one we were getting previously, where it was basically just a scrolling object constantly being printed and could just kind of look bad if you didn't view it properly. Um, So the job of this was to take our frame buffer, which is basically just our list of characters after we did everything to it, and translate it onto our screen properly. So one of the first things I did was made sure to set a constant font, color, and size. This way we didn't get any sizing or that type of stuff based problems when we were running the thing. Because it would be annoying if due to the font we were using, it started to break. Following that, the next thing I did was I stored our font metrics in a character sizing right here, those being character width and height. By doing this, we were able to know how far into the grid we had to move before hitting our next character. Well, putting down our next character. Following that, we have our for loop right here, where we made use of our frame buffer and made it work in the way we needed to for the screen, which was a two-dimensional space. Um, so with that, we started by getting our x, which we had our I modulo width. This way we could get our column that we needed to be in. Then we multiplied that by character width to fully get that. Following that, we had our y, which similar to our x, except this time we made our row. We have our I divided by width and then multiplied by character height, and giving with that, we were able to get our row. And with doing all of that, we were able to figure out how to get a clean, more smooth animation by basically just using all the math that we had to change for it. Thank you for your time and see ya.